www.gibsontruckworld.com 2008 Chevy 2500 LT Crew Cab Z71 4-wheel drive riding on 4 brand new 285s, factory warranty 3/12/28/12. Off-road package, OnStar, CD player, keyless entry, alarm, chrome Nerf bars, bed liner, towing package, power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. When it comes to dollars and cents, this Chevy obliterates the competition. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our exclusive 15-day return policy. Honest, reliable, loyal, we are the king of trucks. We will pay you $1,000 if you find a better.